be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. All right, we have a new pad, a water distribution tray, 2 pad rails, and the drain pan. So we're going to put this all together. So first thing we do is, you'll notice there are 2 little tabs on here, and they snap into these here on the drain pan. So we're going to snap that together. And there we go. Okay, so now we have the pad frame assembled. Now here's the pad. You'll notice on this side here there is a paint mark, and it's only on one side. Okay, so that paint mark goes towards the top, which is the opposite side of the drain here. So it slides in here. Again, you will notice that there is the paint mark. Okay, so now we're going to get our distribution tray and slide it on there. There we go. Okay, so now this assembly is complete. You'll notice again, it says front here. It's imprinted into the plastic. That part will go facing towards you. The side, which is the back over here, this side will go facing the ductwork or the furnace. All right, so we're ready to put this back together. So there is a front and a back, a top and a bottom. Obviously the drain here, that's the bottom. This is the top, but there is a front and back. So there's a notch here. That's the back, and the front conveniently says front. It's imprinted right here. So the front is facing me. So drain in the bottom, and again, the front part here is facing me. It just snaps right in, and now all we need to do is put the cover back on. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.